Verifying your bank account on SendOwl is an essential step to ensure smooth transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your SendOwl account. Access your SendOwl account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure that you have your account details ready. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your bank details. In the payment settings, look for the option to add or verify your bank account. Enter your bank account number, routing number, and any other required information accurately. Step 4. Confirm your bank account. After entering your details, you may need to confirm your bank account. This could involve receiving a small test deposit from SendOwl, which you will need to verify by entering the amount received. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Once you have confirmed the test deposit, your bank account should be verified. Check for a confirmation message on your SendOwl dashboard to ensure the process is complete. Following these steps will help you successfully verify your bank account on SendOwl, enabling you to manage your transactions effectively.